Welcome to DevLog number 1 for Mindstone AI. If you're checking out my webpage and you're wondering what this is, that's what this is. This is Mindstone AI. It's a project I'd love to start building right now. So the idea with this is, well, currently in the world, there's a lot of AI going on. A lot of it's driven by, going to, say, ChatGPT, Meta AI, Gemini, or whatever, typing in an inquiry and then getting something back. And as amazing as that is, I think building something like a friend or almost like a reflection of yourself or an AI that is basically has the same goals and plans as you would be more beneficial, at least personally for me. So I'm kind of going to build this for myself, where once you download the app, you kind of put in your long-term goals, short-term goals, present, items on your mind, such as maybe finding a job or something you want to learn about, or different opportunities around you. And every single day, without needing to go into the app or whatever, this is gonna tag the back end, send a request. It can be like, something like, are there any jobs around me that fit this criteria? Or my long-term goal, let's say it's to learn the piano. Are there people around me? Or maybe the AI just reminds you to study, or gives you helpful things and tools to study and learn piano better. Maybe various YouTube channels or videos that are new that are out there, and it's going to go and kind of query different things. The user will be able to decide how often that happens, so you're not getting bombarded by the AI, but it's just something that's constantly there. And over time, this could be a lot bigger than that, where this is really almost tied into who you are, right? So depending on the user, if you want to implement, say, tracking and different things like that, as far as where you are, it could become your real companion, where a notification is sent when you're leaving work and says, oh, this is actually the quicker route, and there's no need to even open your apps or your map apps or anything like that. So this could just kind of inform you of different things. That's kind of longer term. Currently, just the minimum lovable product that I'd like to build is just something that you type in, and you can always change your goals, obviously, but it kind of focuses on your goals and building, giving you insight every day into achieving those things. So that's Mindstone. It's going to be, I'd like to keep it on device. I don't think it needs a backend or, say, a database with your information. That's completely not necessary. So we're going to keep it on device. So say if you have an iPhone, or you're in the iOS environment, then it's going to be on device and in kind of your iCloud, all the data, and that way you can kind of talk to your calendar and know what's going on in your life. And then it, kind of takes that information, sends it to the back end, and the back end will communicate to some AI service and give you back some data. So that's the idea here. Love to experiment with AI. Haven't done it at all, but I think it's fascinating, and kind of meshing the AI into our world is the goal. Currently it's there, but it's not like in our lives, right? So kind of meshing that is the goal with this project. Thanks for watching. Here's my second slide. Thanks for watching. And follow along for more devlogs as far as how I build this. It's going to be using, obviously, Swift and Java for the back end, and probably just use some Lambda functions with AWS to really run the back end. But yeah, stay tuned for more.